Welcome to the recorded demo video of Property Tax Management System for Tax Collector. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official Jhar Nikai mobile application. Upon clicking on the Jhar Nikai mobile application, the user will be taken to the login page. Enter your login credentials, reload the CAPTCHA, and then click on the login button. After successfully logging in, the user will be redirected to the property dashboard on the Jhar Nikai homepage. The property dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the tax collector homepage, including View Applications, View Holdings, Cluster List, Collection Report, SAF Verification, GBSAF verification, harvesting verification, apply for new assessment, apply for GBSAF. To apply for new assessment, select Apply New Assessment option to access the Apply New Assessment application form. The user must fill in all the required basic details in Step 1 of the application form, including old ward number, new ward number, ownership type, property type. After completing all the required basic details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 2, the user must fill in all the required property address and details in the application form, including Khata number, plot number, village or Mauja name, area of plot, in decimal, road width, in feet. City, district and state are pre-filled. PIN code, building name, street name, location, landmark, property address. If the corresponding address is the same as the property address, tick the checkbox, and then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, if there is no electric connection, please uncheck the relevant option. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, click the Add Owner button to access the Add Owner form. The user must fill in all the required owner details in the application form, including owner name, gender, date of birth, guardian, father or husband name, relation, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email. Select Yes under Armed Forces if applicable, otherwise, select No. Select Yes under Specially Abled if applicable, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Owner button. The user can add multiple owners by repeating the same method. Upon adding the owner, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 5, click the Add Floor button to access the Add Floor form. The user must fill in all the required floor details in the application form, including floor name, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area, in square feet. From date. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Floor button. The user can add multiple floors by repeating the same method. Upon adding the floor, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 6, the user must fill in all the required additional details in the application form, including zone. Select Yes if the property has mobile towers, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has hoarding boards, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has a petrol pump, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has rainwater harvesting provisions, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. All the completed details will be displayed for final review and consent before submission, along with the total payable amount. Click on the Submit button to complete the final submission. The form has been successfully submitted. A confirmation message will be displayed along with the total tax amount, details, and the option to geotagging. To proceed with geotagging, click on the geotagging option. The user must upload front, right, and left images for geotagging. To upload the front image, click on the Choose File button under the Front Image option. The user can capture the image by clicking on the camera icon or choose an image by selecting the File option. After uploading the image, the user will receive the longitude and latitude coordinates. To upload the right image, click on the Choose File button under the Right Image option. To upload the left image, click on the Choose File button under the Left Image option. After completing the document upload, click the Submit and Pay button. After successful geotagging, the SAF demand details will be displayed along with the total payable amount and the payment option. Upon clicking the Payment button, the payment screen will appear. Select the payment mode, enter a remark, and then click on the Payment button. The user will be prompted to confirm the action. A confirmation message will be displayed for successful payment, and the application will be sent for verification, along with options to view receipt and view application. Proceed by clicking the View Receipt option to view the payment receipt. By clicking on the Print button, the user can print the receipt. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.